Now we're going to check in with designer Evelyn Eshun. She's showing us 2 looks with 1 sofa.
Hey Mark and Mandy, here we are, another double take for you. We're at Van Gogh Designs. They specialize in upholstered furniture, so I've chosen 2 pieces, a chair and this beautiful moss green sofa. And we're gonna give it 2 seasonal looks, 1 winter and 1 spring. So this is the first look, it's the winter. We've got a little moodier, we've got some deep color and texture. We've got a warm, cozy wool throw, perfect for those winter nights. And we've got an ottoman here made out of leather, which again has a kind of a masculine look. It doubles as a table once you put a tray on it, and you notice the tray has a pop of color, which is perfect for winter. What we've also done is added a dark pillow. Again, thinking winter, we have less light, you might as well embrace the darkness and make it cozy. There's a carpet we've got here, which again has a deeper color. And this is another great tip for you guys. Why don't you buy 2 carpets and just layer them? We've got this one layered on top of a cream one. We've also got a chair, which has that kind of cigar lounge look. It's made out of leather, and I just love the texture of that. So you can see that we don't absolutely have to have a super symmetrical look here. That's the tip for you. So hang in there, and we're gonna show you look number 2. Okay, Mark and Mandy, here we are. This is look number 2, season number 2, and this is spring. First indication, it's lighter, it's brighter. We've brought in some tulips, again, to celebrate the season. You'll notice this table, which is acrylic and glass with the brushed gold, has a beautiful, fresh, luxurious look. We've unlayered our rugs and taken off the darker rug. Again, there's your tip for you. You can have a base rug and just layer another one on top. The sofa is obviously still the same, but still in the fresh, green, beautiful color. And we still have the same art behind us. You'll also notice we've lightened up all the furniture, not just the coffee table. But we've got glass and acrylic everywhere, which lightens it up. And of course, our throw is much lighter and brighter. I really hope you love these 2 looks, and hopefully you get lots of ideas from this to decorate your own spaces. Thanks so much. Till next time.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.